Did you know that pigeons are some of the most fascinating birds out there? These feathered friends can actually recognize themselves in a mirror. Pretty impressive for a bird. They have an incredible homing ability, allowing them to find their way back home from hundreds of miles away. Pigeons can see a wider range of colors than humans, including ultraviolet light, making their world a lot more vibrant. And get this, they can fly at speeds of up to 75 miles per hour. Plus, they've been used as messengers for centuries, playing crucial roles in wars and important events. So next time you see a pigeon, remember, there's a lot more to them than just being a common city bird.